Hey guys, so today is my first video. I'm going to talk to you about the 2 Suzukis and 1 Honda. And so here we go. So you can kind of see the pipe back there. It's right there.
No, you can't turn it while you're doing it, honey.
You can
Turn it one direction.
You can kind of see the pipe right there. And choke. How far you zoomed in, Mom? Because like everything is so close, man. Really.
You do that.
And this one's my tough hauler.
You can't turn it, Cody.
This one's my tough hauler. And on this side, we have the choke, brake, a switch, and then you can kind of see the pipe right there. Chain. Not grip tires. And then this is my other one. It's a Suzuki 2. Performance pipe. Performance tires. Then this side. Switch. Dragon sticker. I named it the Dragon. Suspension. The suspension. Oh, this is really good. Well, used to. There we go. Here we go. Starting out. Doesn't it? Sounds good, doesn't it? First, I gotta find my Honda because I have no clue where it is. Like, seriously, I have no clue where my Honda is. Like, seriously. I did not know where my Honda is. I just do not know where my Honda is. Not there. Did my dirt bike go? I think it's in here. No. With. Wow! Look it, there it is. It's a Honda dirt bike. Razor's blocking. You can see that pipe right there. Yeah, right there. And so we are going gonna do something crazy. I'm gonna show you the Dodge Cummins Ram 3500 diesel. There we go. Right here. Look at that thing. That thing is gorgeous. That thing is gorgeous. There it is. Heavy duty. Cannot show you the license plate. Cannot show you the license plate. Hitch. That's the rest of the truck. I'm blurring out the license. I'm blurring out the license plate because I don't want you guys to find the truck and steal it. That's why I blurred out the license plate. Oh, that got destroyed. Yeah, today, guys, is my first ever vlog. Blurring out the license plate. Blurring out the license plate to Chevy. There's the fidget spinner. This fidget spinner is mine, which I know it's got a big hole in it. And okay.
What are you looking for?
The bearing for my fidget spinner. Okay. So just ignore that because I couldn't find my. Here it is. There's my homemade fidget spinner. Bearing.
Half a Ninja Warriors and half of the other things.
Yes, yeah. And why does my door keep getting open? This side. Oh, yeah. I have to cover up names. My sisters. Hey, fishy, fishy, fishies. Where'd they go? Hey. Oh, there's one. Hey, bud. Oh, there's two of them. There's the other one. So this is my room. Look at that Lego thing I built. Some of my vlogs I'm doing some pretty crazy stuff. That's my video camera. I'm using my mom's phone. Very inconvenient. My video camera is out of a battery. That is my mom's phone. Look at all those Hot Wheels, and they even have more. That's my dad's phone. Okay, so I'm gonna be gone for a few days. I'm bringing you guys on my vlog camera. Okay, let's try to hit 10,000 likes. Don't forget to subscribe and comment down below what I should do in my next two vlogs. Or next vlogs. Yeah, did you hear me? Let's get 5,000 likes on this video. 5,000 likes on this video. Yes, so guys. Yes, I wrestle. I've been wrestling for a very, very, very long time. Crazy. Yeah, don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment. Turn on don't turn on notifications, because it's going to be a while until I do my next vlog. I might do it tomorrow. I don't know. All my Nerf mods. I'm gonna charge cable stuff in my radio. Yeah, don't forget to get 5,000 likes on this video. If you guys can go over, let's go over.
Pass the ball.
Yeah. Let's try to get 5,000 likes on this video. Don't forget to subscribe and comment down below what we should do on these next videos. Yeah. Don't turn notifications on because I don't know when I'm doing my next videos. So do not turn notifications on. Okay, so that is it for today's vlog. I'm just showing you around the Suzuki's. And that's it for the vlog today. Okay, that's it. So, subscribe, comment, and like the video. Try to get 5,000. And we'll see. Do the stuff that I said. So, bye guys. See you in the next vlog.